In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and apply a credit note to an invoice that is awaiting payment. Now, managing invoices efficiently is crucial for maintaining healthy business operations. And having the skills to swiftly handle credits can streamline your financial processes and also provide clarity in your records. To start, let's navigate to the sales section in your system, where we'll work our way towards locating the invoice that needs attention. Once you're in the sales area, find the Invoices tab. This is an essential hub for managing your company's finances and helps you keep track of what's pending and what's been settled. Next, look for the Awaiting Payment tab within the Invoices section. This tab specifically shows all invoices that are still pending payment, helping you quickly identify those that might need further actions, such as issuing a credit note. Once you've clicked on the Awaiting Payment tab, scan through the list to find the invoice you need to address. Click on the invoice to open up its details. At this stage, make sure you have the correct invoice, as focusing on the right details is paramount to avoid discrepancies in your financial records. At the top right corner of the invoice details, you'll see a three-dot icon. Clicking on this icon will open a drop-down menu with several options. What you're looking for here is the option that says, Create and Apply Credit. This function is designed to help you efficiently manage the credit process by applying it directly to the invoice. Once you've selected Create and Apply Credit, a new form will appear, prompting you to fill in the credit note details. Pay close attention to each field here. Start by entering the date. This ensures that your records are accurate and timely. Next, provide a reference number. Reference numbers are vital for tracking and for future reference, especially during audits or reconciliations. Finally, add a description of the refund. This could be anything from product return to service cancellation. Clarity and detail in your description can help maintain transparency in your transactions. The next step is critical. You need to ensure the credit amount exactly matches the refund you are issuing. Consistency in the amount avoids misunderstandings or future corrections, ensuring your accounting remains precise. Double-check this figure before proceeding. With everything filled out accurately, your final action is to click on Approve to save the credit note. By doing this, the credit will be formally applied to the invoice, updating the balance and reflecting this change in your financial records. Congratulations! You've now successfully created and applied a credit note to an invoice awaiting payment. Mastering this process not only helps maintain a smooth workflow, but also enhances the accuracy and reliability of your accounting practices. Thanks for following along today, and make sure to tune in for more valuable tips and guides.